Hey y'all, it's Coach Alicia and I'm back again for day 5 of the challenge. Please excuse me for getting this video out so late. Today is my grandmother's birthday and I've just been thinking about her. She passed away a few years ago, so we as a family, we're getting adjusted to the change, and I am just taking it a little slow today. But I'm excited for what we have going on in the challenge. For those who may not be aware, what I have done, we are a part of a 31-day spring clean or get ready for spring and decluttering challenge. And so what I have done was taking the numbers 1 through 31, put them in this sack, and every day I shake up the sack, I pull a number, and whatever number I pull is the amount of items that I get rid of for that day. So before I do the pull, I want to just say this is just not a challenge about clearing clutter from our homes and getting things more efficient and ready for spring. It's also about lifting the energy in our homes and mentally putting ourselves in a better frame of mind, right? Because we all know how we feel when the house is clean and organized and we can move about it the way that we need to. So when you're doing your, if you're joining me in the challenge, start really listening to the thoughts that you're having as you are starting to get rid of stuff. Just take a minute to think about all the thoughts that are passing through your mind. And rather, it's thoughts of like, don't get rid of this, we may need it, or something like that. And just also remember that a lot of reasons why people don't get rid of things is because they have sentimental value, or they may have a scarcity mindset where they feel like if they get rid of it, they may need it and they may not have it. And those things are normal, but at the same time, we have to learn how to push past those things and find new ways to honor people that have passed away in our lives without holding on to unnecessary clutter and junk. Of course, there are going to be some things that we hold on to, but it's definitely within reason, and it should be things that we're still using or can find value for. Okay, so with that, I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to go get my items, and I will be back shortly with my 21 items. Okay. See you soon. Whew, y'all, I worked up a sweat getting those items. But okay, so I'm back. Let me show you the items that I have. Hold on one second. Let me put this down. Okay, coming in first are these beauties. They are 7 picture frames from IKEA, so that's 7. Then I have an assortment of mugs that I've gotten from different places in my lifetime. So it's 4 of them, right? And so then I have 2 adult sippy cups. I have this old Be Still and No mug. And I have another one. I just didn't like this one. It looks a little country. So I have a new mug, an old vase that someone gave me flowers in that I can get rid of. This container that something came in that was just under this kitchen sink. These 2 water vessels, and my old running water pouches. And then I have a bottle that someone gave me that I don't use. So those are my 21 items. How did you do today? Let me know in the comments, inbox me, call me if you have my number, or text me. So I will see y'all here again for day 6. We're doing good, y'all. We're getting rid of items. This is great. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.